Why is my air conditioner leaking refrigerant? Your air conditioner is leaking refrigerant because there are tiny holes, cracks, or loose connections somewhere in the copper coils or lines, usually caused by corrosion, age, or a poor installation job. Here is something a lot of people do not realize. Refrigerant does not get used up like gasoline in a car, so if your air conditioner is low on it, that almost always means there is a leak somewhere, not that it naturally ran out. Over time, a type of corrosion called formicary corrosion can eat tiny pinholes into the copper coils, and these holes can be smaller than a strand of hair, making them nearly impossible to see with your own eyes. This corrosion often comes from chemicals released by carpets, cleaning products, or even air fresheners inside your home, which slowly react with the copper over years. Another sneaky cause is vibration, since your unit shakes every time it runs, and over months and years that shaking can loosen fittings, valves, or joints, letting refrigerant slowly seep out. If your air conditioner is cooling less than it used to, or you notice a hissing sound near the unit, that could be a sign refrigerant is escaping. The most actionable thing you can do is call a licensed technician who uses an electronic leak detector or ultraviolet dye, because guessing where a leak is almost never works and wastes both time and money. One common mistake homeowners make is asking a technician to simply add more refrigerant without ever finding and fixing the actual leak, which means you will be paying for a refill again in a few months. Always make sure the technician finds the leak first, repairs it, and only then recharges the system properly. Another misconception is thinking every refrigerant leak is dangerous to breathe, but most modern refrigerants are not toxic in small amounts, though you should still ventilate the area and avoid breathing it in directly near the unit. People also assume a bigger, pricier air conditioner will leak less, but leaks depend far more on installation quality and maintenance than on size or cost, so keep up with a yearly checkup no matter what you own. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.